Aloha, welcome to the channel. In preparation for our 7-day cruise from Seattle, Washington to Alaska, we decided to fly in early to Seattle. We got there a day early after flying all night on the red eye. We was quite hungry, so my wife found a quite interesting little restaurant called Biscuit Bitch. Please enjoy. Upon arrival to the restaurant, we noticed there was no seating area available. However, we did notice there was quite a few people waiting in line for to pick up their food. So we decided to give it a go. Plus, with the name of the restaurant and the great reviews that was online that my wife's read, we decided that this was our spot that we was going to have breakfast at. The sign outside the restaurant gave a guesstimated wait time of 60 minutes before our food would be ready. We occupied that 60 minutes by checking out some of the nearby shops. Once we received our food, we headed back to our hotel room so we could eat in the comfort of our own room. The food was quite tasty and the portions was quite large, to say the least. My wife had the bacon, egg, and cheese. I had the sausage, egg, and cheese. We both had cheese grits, which was quite plentiful and we could have had shared. Well, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed as much as we did. Aloha. Chew.